They have
Bebek,
bebek
Duck
or
sama chicken.
ducks, yeah, egg.
Dari mana? Dari mana? Dibungkus pakai pin. Bungkus aja. Mau dibungkus apa di?
No, I want to test.
Oh, mau
I want
dimakan
to
dulu.
Kerak Telor. Only 20,000. Hello guys, today I want to show you a really nice food, traditional food from Betawi, from Indonesia. The name is Kerak Telor from Indonesia. That's traditional and especially from Betawi. Kerak Telor, Kerak Telor Betawi. Okay, we want to see. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, only one. Apa? Oh, rice. That's rice. Jakarta. We want to check, yeah?
Mau telur bebek apa telur ayam?
What? Oh no, ayam.
Ayam aja ayam.
They have
Bebek,
bebek
Duck
or
sama chicken.
ducks, yeah, egg
Chicken.
or chicken egg.
Yeah.
Yes, it's okay.
Nah, ayam aja, Bang.
I need just
Spicy.
a bit spicy.
Sedikit aja, Bang.
Kerak Telor Betawi. Kerak Telor Betawi. Ini coconut. Oh, that's coconut. That's rice, man. Onion.
Bawang goreng.
Fried onion. Coconut. And they mix coconut with rice and fried onion, black pepper, organic salt, and red pepper. That's nice, man. Woohoo.
Iya, mau apa? Sepi ya, Bang ya? Hah? Sepi ya? Kemarin 2 hari mah lumayan. Lumayan. Ini nggak kayak tahun-tahun kemarin ya? Kalau tahun kemarin penuh stand. Sekarang sedikit. Nggak nyampe ujung. Iya, sampai ujung. Kalau tahun kemarin
The smell is really nice. Okay, let's see how is the taste.
ya aku mobil aku di Bos, dari mana? Dari mana?
Itu apa gitu apa? It's really amazing. That's really nice. This is the name is Kerak Telor. coconut and fried onion. They add again.
Dibungkus pakai pin. Bungkus aja. Mau dibungkus apa di?
No, I want to test.
Oh, mau
I want
dikirim
to-
aja.
yeah,
Kita
yeah.
langsung bungkus, Bang. Satu aja sendoknya satu aja.
Okay, I want to test and we want to hold the taste of Kerak Telor. That's so amazing. Kerak Telor with coconut. You can feel the coconut in your mouth. Yeah. Kerak Telor. With this. It was a really nice. It was a really nice experience. Kerak Telor from Betawi. That's really delicious. If you go to Indonesia, you can try that. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Bye. It was really delicious Kerak Telor. If you go to Indonesia, for sure you have to try that because that's really nice and different eggs because they mix with coconut.
Nah, malam minggu paling ter.
Okay, how much is it?
20.
Harga 20. Only 20,000. Okay, thank you.
Terima kasih.
You're welcome. Bye bye.
Ay, gue dipakai.